Power consumed by capacitor in AC circuit. Let us consider an AC source which supplies a sinusoidally varying potential difference across the plates of the capacitor of capacitance C. At any time t, let V be the voltage supplied by the AC source. V equal to Vm sin omega t. Let us call this as equation number 1. In this, Vm is the voltage amplitude, omega t is the phase angle. When AC source is connected to a capacitor, current flowing through the circuit leads ahead of voltage by a phase pi by 2. Therefore, current I equal to Im sin omega t plus pi by 2, which can be written as I equal to Im cos omega t. Let us call this as equation number 2. At any time t, V is the voltage and I is the current. So what may be the power dissipated in the circuit, which is equal to V into I. For a time dt, if dE is the energy dissipated, dE can be written as P into dt, power into time. So for the complete cycle of AC, if E is the energy dissipated, E is equal to integration from 0 to t dE. Over the time period of AC, we integrate dE. That is integration from 0 to t p dt. We know P equal to voltage into current VI into dt. Substituting total energy dissipated in the circuit is integration from 0 to t Vm sin omega t into Im cos omega t into dt. That is equal to Vm, Im is constant, which are the voltage amplitude and current amplitude, into integration from 0 to t sin omega t cos omega t into dt. And integration of sin omega t cos omega t is integration of sin 2 omega t by 2. So E equal to Vm Im integration from 0 to t sin 2 omega t by 2 into dt. We know integration of sin 2 omega t over complete cycle is 0. Therefore, energy dissipated in the circuit for a complete AC cycle is equal to 0, which implies that power dissipated when AC passes through capacitor is 0. Or when capacitor is connected to AC source, there will not be any power dissipation. Thank you.